Plus, with the ease of motion-activated lights and peace of mind of an HD camera, it's the best way to keep your outdoors safe and secure. It's got two-way talk.
Oh, hey, I got your lawnmower.
Just leave it on the side of the house.
All right, thank you.
And a siren for when you'd rather not talk, that you can activate from anywhere.
That's great. Thank you.
And it's from Ring, so it works with Ring Alarm, Smart Lighting, Alexa, and all your other Ring cameras, controlled right from the Ring app. So, that's the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. Smart security made simple.
Reolink Floodlight, a motion-activated security floodlight featuring multiple modes. With the Smart Night mode, it lights up your outdoors when your families come back, and more modes for more situations. Schedule it to turn on according to your routine, or set it to automatically illuminate the outside when it's dark, or when there is an intruder. Reolink Floodlight works seamlessly with all Reolink cameras and keeps you informed anytime, anywhere.
Who are you? Get out of my house.
It makes things even more simple working with Google Assistant.
Okay, Google, turn on the light.
Reolink Floodlight, for greater safety at night.
Home security has never been brighter. Introducing the Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera. It's a combination of our award-winning camera technology, paired with the superior brightness of a powerful LED floodlight, delivering the first ever floodlight camera that can be set up entirely wire-free, giving you total flexibility for maximum visibility, with a sleek and intelligent design that complements any exterior. A wide, crisp picture with color night vision lets you zoom in on the details. And a built-in smart siren can easily be triggered when you're away. With flexible power options, you can use the rechargeable battery or provide continuous power through a power outlet or solar panel. And rest assured with Arlo's Privacy Pledge that ensures your data and videos remain secure, private, and in your control. The Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera. It's security at its brightest.